To fix the issue of Cash App payment keeps getting refunded, it is essential to understand why this issue occurs in the first place. Cash App refunds payments for various reasons, including insufficient funds, incorrect recipient information, or security concerns. First, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to make the payment. If your account balance is low, add money to your account and try making the payment again. Next, verify the recipient's information, including their name, email address, and phone number. Make sure the information is accurate and matches the recipient's Cash App account. If you are still experiencing issues, check your account for any security concerns. Cash App has a built-in security system that flags suspicious transactions, which may cause payments to be refunded. Another reason for refunded payments is the use of a declined or expired credit or debit card. Ensure that your linked card is active and has sufficient funds. To resolve the issue, follow these steps. 1. Open the Cash App and go to the Activity tab to check the status of your payment. 2. If the payment is refunded, click on the payment and select the option to retry the payment. 3. If the issue persists, contact Cash App support for assistance. To prevent payments from being refunded in the future, always ensure that you have sufficient funds. Verify the recipient's information, and use a valid credit or debit card. By following these steps and best practices, you can fix the issue of Cash App payment keeps getting refunded and ensure successful transactions.